Hi, I'm Aditya Sharma, the founder and CEO of HiCounselor. Recently, I wanted to hire a data scientist for my team, so I posted on LinkedIn. I received an overwhelming response with 2,700 plus people commenting and expressing interest. I then asked candidates to email their resumes and a brief video answering a few behavioral questions. Our hiring inbox, hire@hicounselor.com, was soon flooded with hundreds of responses, making it nearly impossible to manually review each one. To tackle this, we created an AI agent to automate the process. The AI analyzed all incoming emails, extracted resumes and video responses, and evaluated them based on work experience, skills, relevant projects, and education. Each candidate received a score. This allowed us to identify top 10 candidates within 30 minutes, invite them for interviews, and promptly inform the others of our decision. The AI agent reduced over 100 hours of manual work to just a few minutes, and it will continue to be a valuable tool for us in the future. We successfully onboarded our final hire, Anirudh.